Hi, my name is Kevin Ahronson. I'm the founder of Hampshire School of Photography, and welcome to my office. This is where it all happens. 50 years ago, my mother bought me this camera for passing my 11 plus, and I had no idea at that moment that I would end up here with the Hampshire School of Photography, teaching hundreds of photographers every year, from those who are just starting out on their photography journey right through to those who actually want to go professional. And we run classes and workshops, 1-year programs, and of course there's all the teaching online as well. But there are three things that run through all of our teaching, three basic tenets which are so important. And the first one is camera, knowing your camera. If you know your camera well, it puts you in a good place. The camera should be an extension of your body. You shouldn't have to think about where the controls are or what they do. You should understand your camera. So that's number one. The second C, because there are 3 C's. Didn't I say that? C. There you go. That was an unintentional pun. But there you go. See, I'm ad-libbing this. There's no script, okay? That was the first C, camera. The second C is control. It's taking control of this thing. It's knowing which buttons to press when. It's knowing how to work with difficult light when the light just throws you all kinds of awkward and challenging scenarios. How to deal with awkward focusing. How to control your camera. How to control yourself. How to take control of the situation so you don't miss the shot. The third C, that's a harder one. That's create. And part of the process of becoming a photographer is learning how to find and take good images, how to see with photographer's eyes, how to look at a scene creatively, how to work that scene, what clues to look for in the scene, what mistakes to avoid. Camera, control, create are the 3 C's that govern what we teach at Hampshire School of Photography. If you're looking to improve your photography, whether you're just starting on the journey or whether you're somewhere along the path, check out the website gohsp.com. That's gohsp.com. Look at what we do and let's see if we can help you. Good to meet. Cheers.